हेलो दोस्तों, क्या हाल है आपका? बिल्कुल खैरियत होंगे। आज का वीडियो में आपका बहुत बहुत वेलकम। और आज की वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको पहले इतना
Just a grasshopper sitting in the grass. That's horrible. Mary, I'm sorry, but singing just isn't your thing. You better shut up. Well, fine. I thought we were friends. Wow, what a big bucket of chocolate ice cream. Cool. Nice chewing gum. But it's spicy. Who makes spicy chewing gum? We'll try it and find out. Mary, come on, try it. I wonder what it tastes like. Look, it's not so bad. Oh no, I don't like it. It's too spicy. Not at me. I don't want that fire touching me. Why is it so hot? Probably need to open a window. I've never tasted anything this spicy. It's just awful. I feel like there's a fire inside me. I need something to put this out fast. Ice cream will do just fine. What are you doing? I get that you don't feel good, but why should my ice cream suffer? Can't you help your friends? And I didn't even eat that much of it. Maybe you didn't eat that much, but you left your eyelashes in it. I want my chocolate ice cream, not chocolate ice cream that tastes like hair. Oh, right! I lost them! How do I eat this now? Okay, I figured something out. When I was a little kid, I used to make the best sandcastles using this method. Why not try it out again? And look! I even got an ice cream cake out of it. This is really easy. I had a brilliant idea. Wow! Maybe you shouldn't eat so much ice cream. You're already turning blue. But I don't want it all to melt. Oh no! Lily, don't freeze! I'll save you. My super spicy Hubba Bubba should help. Wow, that warmed me up perfectly. It's also pretty spicy. I think there's gonna be an explosion. Oh, I didn't think it would get so smelly, sorry. Oh my gosh! A huge chocolate Hubba Bubba! And Jess's gum too! Yummy!
What?
Not as much! So what? Mine's tastier. It tastes like real bubble gum, which is way better than chocolate.
No!
Hey, where's my gum? That's not fair. All these boxes are empty. Well, what am I gonna chew? This is some kind of mean joke. Come on! I shouldn't make fun of people like this. Please! Hooray! Chewing gum! Wow! Finally! Now I can enjoy the taste. Yeah, but it's even smaller than we thought. But it's still really tasty.
Okay.
This is just amazing. This was worth going through all those empty Hubba Bubbas just to find this. Okay! Now watch and learn. I'm only going to show you once. You've never seen a bubble like this before. So much for your masterclass. Even a dog could blow a better bubble than that. I'll show you what it means to blow a real bubble. So much chocolate, Hubba Bubba. Now this is what I like. I'm so lucky. Wow, that really is a lot of gum. Cindy, why don't you share some with me? No way. It's only fair that I get to eat all the gum myself. And that's just what I'll do. Now I'm gonna blow the biggest bubble you've ever seen. Good job. That bubble really is big. So it'll explode even bigger. Let's check it out. What have you done? Now I'm all brown. Maybe you should go to the bathroom? Sorry. It's not funny. Ooh, but it is really tasty. Awesome. I wonder where our next treats are. Oh my gosh. It's a whole fountain of chocolate. Yeah, it really is chocolate. And I have a giant statue of delicious chewing gum. I love pink Hubba Bubba. And there's a whole bunch of it right here. Maybe there's even too much. Hey, Lily, how you doing? Everything okay? Everything's fine. What's on your head? My head? Oh, that. It's a gum hat. It's a really convenient thing. Super delicious. How am I gonna eat this chocolate? Just drinking it is boring. I'm gonna need something.
नो ये मुझे हाँ तो ये क्या हो गया चलो क्या देख रही हो तुम यहाँ देखने में तो बहुत टेस्टी लग रहा है तो ट्राई करके देखती हूँ चलो खाने का समय आ चुका है हाँ मुझे भी ये चाहिए बहुत शानदार मैं गिर गई ओह ये क्या हुआ चलो हंसना बंद करो हाँ मैं बहुत अच्छी लग रही हूँ तुम अपने सर पे देखो हाँ बहुत शानदार चलो चैलेंज देखते हैं ये क्या है ये तो दिखने में जेली लग रही है हमारे को चॉकलेट मुझे चाहिए बहुत मजेदार मजेदार यम्मी बहुत शानदार मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी मजेदार चलो मुझे भी ये खाना है मुझे भी चाहिए नहीं मैं नहीं दूंगी क्या कर सकते हैं मुझे भी चाहिए हाँ तुम अपने मुँह पे देखो तुम्हें क्या मुझे आइडिया आया है मार्बल के साथ तुम्हारा मुँह ओहो बहुत अच्छी लग रही हो तुम थैंक्स हाँ हंसना बंद करो तुम बदतमीज बहुत मज़ेदार अब तुम्हारी बारी ठीक है मैं ट्राई करती हूँ चलो अब ट्राई करते हैं हाँ बहुत शानदार जेली है और मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी हाँ ये मुझे भी दो नहीं ये सिर्फ मेरी है हाँ ये मेरी है मैं तुम्हें नहीं दूँगी ये क्या किया तुमने मज़ेदार मुझे भी बहुत अच्छी लगी बहुत शानदार यम्मी चलो देखते हैं वाओ बहुत मज़ेदार पर मेरे हाथ ये क्या हुआ जो ओके दोस्तों अगली वीडियो में आपसे मुलाकात होगी और फिर मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें कमेंट करें और आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी ओके तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।